Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Yes. So today we are moving on with the second mega war quiz for the entire BioPoint juniors versus seniors. And I hope the screen is completely visible and my audio is also absolutely clear. Yes. Yes, let's have the Slido code for the day on the screen within 10 seconds. Yes, all your eyes on the screen, you will get today's Slido code. Yes, go to slido.com and use the code 66574. 66574 is the Slido code. Okay? I'm activating the quiz in 3, 2, 1, and all your eyes on the screen. You can now join at the quiz right now with your name. Yes, let's wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, I request each one of you to join right now. Yes, let's see who all are going to win today's quiz. I told all the students to be prepared in their class with the previous day topics. Am I right? Yes, why there is so much of delay for the quiz? Yes. Yes, guys, can we start? Yes. So all your eyes on the screen. You will have the very first question on the screen. Yes. First question on the screen. The opening and closing of a stomatal pore depends upon oxygen, temperature, turgor pressure in the guard cells, the concentration of carbon dioxide in stomata. Yes? Guys, the correct answer is turgor pressure inside the guard cell. Next question on the screen. Oxygen evolved during photosynthesis in a plant cell comes from water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, glucose. Oxygen, this question was there in yesterday's quiz. Am I right? Yes. The correct answer is water. Guys, yesterday's quiz, you were not listening. That's why you got this answer wrong today. Next question on the screen. Structural and functional unit of kidney is ureter, urethra, nephron, neuron. Which one is the answer for the quiz? Oh, guys, what a stupid answer that is. Yes. Guys, nephron is the answer. Next question on the screen. Air turns lime water milky with dash gas present in the air. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Yes. Arjun, there is a total of 35 questions. 35 questions in total. Answer comes on your respective screens where you are doing the quiz. Okay. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Yesterday also I just corrected this for you, right? Guys, those who are watching the session right now in the YouTube, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Next question on the screen. Liver secretes bile through bile duct into stomach, small intestine, large intestine, esophagus. Guys, today's quiz comprises of all the easy questions, the basic level questions, and I hope my 10th standard students would do it well. Yes. Let's see the majority answer on the screen. Guys, it is small intestine. Next question on the screen. Identify the false statement. Right atrium of the human heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body. The excretion in flatworm occur through flame cells. A human kidney contains 1 million nephron. Tracheids are non-living conducting tissue. Yes. Oh. Today also, guys, you are making mistake. Right atrium, the right part of the heart, receives a deoxygenated blood. What is wrong with that? That is a correct statement. Next, the excretion in flatworm. Flatworm occur through flame cell. The excretion in flatworm occurs through flame cell. Neat bath students, you might know yesterday also I said the same explanation. Guys, look at this statement. Tracheids are non-living conducting tissue. That is a true statement. That is a true statement. This is also a true statement. Flame cell is an organ of excretion. Human kidney contains 1 million nephron. Oh, guys, sorry, the menti senti ho gaya. Okay, Guys, there is a small mistake with the answer over here, because this statement is proved to be the false statement. This statement proved to be the false statement, because when you look at the yesterday's quiz, you will see that 1 million neuron. Okay, it was just a typing mistake. Okay, it was just a typing mistake. Don't worry. It is to be, this statement is also correct. So here, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, all the statements are correct. Okay, it was a problem with the quiz. Next one on the screen. An instrument that measures blood pressure is barometer, sphygmomanometer, photometer, and manometer. An instrument that measures blood pressure. Yes. Guys, the answer is sphygmomanometer, barometer, atmospheric pressure. Next question on the screen. Normal blood pressure, systolic or diastolic, is 120 bar 80 mm of Hg, 160 bar 80 mm of Hg, 120 bar 60 mm of Hg, and 180 bar 80 mm of Hg mercury. First one is the systolic, and then, guys, 120 is the systolic and diastolic is 80. It's not 60. Next one. The closed circulatory system of human is one-way channel, double cyclic channel, two-way channel, none. I could see 7 people watching the session from the YouTube. Don't forget to click the like button now itself. Don't forget. Okay, don't forget. I saw someone has disliked the session. I don't know what illegal I just made in this. Okay, if you didn't like the session, please never dislike. These are the efforts taken by a person. If you don't want to study, just get out from the class. No need to stay tuned with the class. Loss of water in the form of water vapor through stomata is called transportation, transpiration, guttation, translocation. I'm not inviting anybody. I just shared the link with all the Telegram group where I am the teacher, and I have my own group in order to make the other students also familiar with all these kinds of questions. I shared it, and I'm sure that these are the children from the other group who are here to dislike, or might be the children from my group itself. Okay, transpiration. Please understand the efforts behind all these things. Okay, this will not come. This is not prepared by anybody else. I just sat yesterday night and just prepared all these questions, because I have to make my children busy with the questions. They have to be perfect by doing the questions. So those who need the session, please never dislike, and you do not need to like. That's it. No need of disliking the session. Next one. A biochemical molecule of blood that combines with oxygen and helps in its transportation is water, urea, hemoglobin, acetylcholine. Water, urea, hemoglobin, acetylcholine. Yes. Guys, it is hemoglobin, oxyhemoglobin. Next question on the screen. Function of large intestine is mainly, not need to like. That's it. No need of disliking the session. Absorption of water, assimilation. Digestion of fat, digestion of carbohydrate. Yes. Guys, large intestine, the function is absorption of water. Next one on the screen. Major place for protein digestion is stomach, small intestine, large intestine, none. Simple question for even my 10th standard students can answer this perfectly fine. And I hope yesterday's quiz, since it was NCERT exemplar questions, most of you find it difficult with certain question. Yes, guys, it is stomach. It is not small intestine. It is not small intestine. It is not large intestine. It is always stomach. The buccal cavity or the mouth is the place where starch digestion begins, or carbohydrate digestion begins. Stomach is the place of the digestive system where protein digestion begins. Perfect. Next question on the screen. a gland which is not related with the digestion. Guys, you might have not studied the name of that gland, I don't know, but all the other three glands we discussed in the class. So just go for the answer which is not associated with the digestive system. Yes, guys, just 1 minute. Okay, I'll be back with the next question on the screen. Yes, guys, adrenal. Guys, liver secretes bile. Why? What this foolish answer? Liver secretes bile. It is associated with digestion, emulsification of fat. Salivary gland secretes saliva, which contains the enzyme taline or salivary amylase. It also helps in digestion. Pancreas secrete pancreatic amylase. Adrenal gland secretes adrenaline, right? Guys, I'll be back within 1 minute. You have the next question on the screen. Autotrophic organisms include. Yes, I hope the majority answer yes, 93 percentage with the correct answer for the question. Next question on the screen. After 17th question, I'll show you the leaderboard. Yes, next to table type question. Passage of urine occur through. Just read all the four options and then only click the correct answer for the question. Yes. Oh. Guys, the answer is kidney, urinary bladder, and then only urethra. What is this? From the kidney, is it directly going into the urinary bladder? Guys, just remember the diagram. Just remember the diagram. Urethra. You will have the two pair of kidney. Right? You will be having a long tube. Look. You will be having the two pair of kidney. And the long tube will be entering. Or is your kidney and your urinary bladder directly attaches with each other? Those who have written this answer, the kidney structure may be like this. No, ureter, and after that urethra. No, guys, just remember what is the diagram demands for you. It's not simply what's diagram mean. How food moves inside the digestive system. Mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and esophagus. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Mouth, stomach, esophagus, small intestine, large intestine. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine. Yes. Let's have the majority answer and the correct answer on the screen. Yes, guys, option B is the correct answer. Guys, after the large intestine only. Large intestine, it will reach the small intestine. Artificial removal of urea from the blood is termed as osmosis, filtration, dialysis, double circulation. Artificial removal of urea from the blood. Osmosis, filtration, dialysis, double circulation. Yes, it is dialysis. Leaderboard on the screen. Yes. Okay. We have Vaishnavi, Guru, Abhijit, Ishika and SK on the screen. Two 10th standard students, all my students are on the leaderboard, right from Vaishnavi to SK. The 5 students, my own students. Yes, next question on the screen. Oxygenation of impure blood occurs in oxygenation. Yes, the deoxygenated blood is taken into particular organ for oxygenation. Heart, lungs, ureter, kidney. Heart, lungs, ureter, kidney. Yes. Oh. Guys, it is taken to the lungs. What is this? Is it you don't know the answer or you are just simply doing the quiz just for fun? Guys, if this is to be the heart, the pulmonary artery would be taking the blood to the lungs. The pulmonary artery would be taking the deoxygenated blood from the right side into the lungs. Next question on the screen. In kidney, selective reabsorption of glucose, amino acid, minerals, and water into the blood takes place in the tubule, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, ureter. In kidney, the selective reabsorption of glucose, amino acid, minerals, and water into the blood takes place in. Yes, guys, it is tubule. Next question on the screen. Name the tube that connects the kidney to the urinary bladder. Just imagine the diagram. Just nothing more. Just imagine the diagram before you answer this question. Just imagine the diagram. Guys, what is with the nephron? What is nephron is in between kidney and urinary bladder. You are just going for B for blunter. Urethra, is it a blunter answers, guys? What is this? Those who have written urethra, I'm not going to scroll, but nephron, because urethra, ureter, always confusion for the students. But what is this? What a silly answer, nephron. I don't know why you are not at all prepared for a test. Single circulation is found in. I just made it to just for a fun. I'm not making it quizzes for just for fun in order to save or make your time engaged. These all are your questions which may come for your examination. Both for CBSE class 10, this also I'm talking for NEET examination also I'm talking. These all are the basic level question NEET students can expect. Only 2 or 3 basic level question. Option D is the answer. Next question on the screen. Apart from blood, there is another fluid which also circulates in our body. The fluid is platelets, RBC, lymph, plasma. Guys, the answer is lymph. Fluid connective tissue, lymph and blood. Next question on the screen. Permeable tissue which transport oxygen and nutrition to the nearby cell is called artery, capillary, vein, hemoglobin. I'm asking about the permeable tissue. The permeable tissue which transport nutrients and oxygen to the nearby cells. Yes, guys, it is capillary. Permeable tissue. Open up your eyes, guys. Open up. Permeable tissue. Who have taught you that hemoglobin is a tissue? Or which teacher just taught you hemoglobin is a tissue? Guys, tissue. A permeable vessel. Artery, capillary, veins, they are used for the transport of nutrients. Guys, hemoglobin is a pigment. Food transport through phloem tissue is called transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. Food transport through phloem tissue is called transpiration, translocation, respiration, evaporation. Yes. Yes, guys, it is translocation. Guys, I think always a 7%, one or two guys are just voting with the wrong answer. Absolutely. Guys, don't no plays are going on over here. Take it as to be serious. Especially my NEET students, there is no very less chance of postponement. Even though I am too asking, I'm too begging in different Twitters, in Twitter for the postponement, but we are not sure whether it would get postponed. We have only 4 more days for JE, and JE postponement chances 99.9%. The chances no postponement for the exam, but we are not sure about the NEET examination, because it is very sure that after the JE examination, at least 2 or 3 might get infected, and if they are NEET aspirants, they will not be able to give up or take up the examination. So there must be at least a month gap between the NEET and the JE examination, and I don't know whether it would really happen or not. Only very few chances. Guys, we have only for NEET batch students, we have only just 15 more days in front of us. Just 15. And then also giving this blunder answer is not a good way. Take it to be serious. During vigorous physical activity, muscle cells produce dash, which may cause fatigue. During vigorous physical activity, muscle cells produce fatigue is due to the formation of muscle cramp. Oh, what is this ethanol and carbon dioxide, guys? What is this ethanol and carbon dioxide? Then after running so much of time, you can just produce ethanol from your own body. What rubbish answers 10% of you guys? Next question on the screen. Glycolysis occur in dash part of the leaf or dash part of a cell. Glycolysis. Guys, if you don't know the answer, please don't try even the answer. Just giving out blunder answer. It is cytoplasm. Next question on the screen. A few drops of iodine solution to potato turns blue-black in color. This indicates that potato contains fat, complex protein, starch, simple protein. Few drops of iodine solution, potato turns blue-black in color. That means potato contains. Perfect. It is starch. Due to the presence of starch, it appears blue-black. Right? Next question on the screen. The contraction and expansion movement of the wall of the intestine is called. Guys, it's my request. It's my humble request. Please don't give the wrong answers. Such simple question. You cannot even expect this type of a simple question in your examination. I'm just adding you the basic from the base level itself. What is digestion? Next question on the screen. I don't have anything to say about it. What saliva does? Breaks down the complex starch into sugars, breaks protein into amino acid, absorption of vitamins, breakdown of fats into fatty acids and glycerol. Yes? Next one on the screen. When an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism without killing it, it is known as saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition. Yes. Guys, it is parasitic nutrition. Oh, now in your condition or in your words, autotrophic mode of nutrition means it's predation. Organism derives its food from the body of another living organism is referred to as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Is it autotrophic mode? Guys, please use a little bit of common sense. Use a little bit of common sense while you answer the questions. Whether you have written saprotroph, I might have forgive. Autotrophic mode of nutrition, studying from your third standard onwards. Prepare food by photosynthesis without depending on any other organism, just on organic and inorganic substances. Do we find glucose in urine normally? 32nd question. Always we find, never, only in case renal impairment, or renal means kidney impairment, sometimes depending on the intake. Which condition do we find urine in the glucose in the urine? Oh, those students who always finds urine in their blood, call yourself as diabetic patients. Diabetic patient. Their body is not at all producing insulin, the hormone insulin. Okay, so this 25% of the students who contains the urine always contains glucose, they might be diabetic patients. Then sometimes depending upon the intake, if you take a food rich in sugar, that is if you take a laddu or a jalebi, it would lead to the formation of urine. No, never, because there is a hormone named insulin in our body for the conversion of glucose into glycogen. Only in case of renal impairment, whenever kidney gets or any malfunctioning with the kidney. Next one on the screen. Roots of plants absorb water from the soil through the process called diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, none of this. Yes, it is osmosis, endosmosis. I hope this 54% of the students contains our neat batch students also. Shame upon you in this last 15 days giving you responsible and blunter answers. Next question on the screen. In amoeba, the food is digested in the food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. In amoeba, food is digested in food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. Yes, guys, it is food vacuole. Next question. Pseudopodia, false feed. Last and the final question on the screen. Digestion is regulated by the liver, anus, small intestine, anal sphincter. Guys, it is anal sphincter. Leaderboard and the winner on the screen. Oh, yes. Vaishnavi is the topper for the day with 30 on 35. Guru 28 on 35. Abhijit 26 on 35. Ishika 26 on 35. Mr. NK 25 on 35. So today the leaderboard and this quiz winning by our senior batch. So today's winner is Vaishnavi from the NEET batch. Okay, she is from a NEET batch and she is the winner for this day. 30 on 35. Guru is also NEET batch. But all these are the 10th standard student. Okay, 2 NEET batch students and 10th standard students are also over here. But Vaishnavi and Guru, I am not satisfied with the score. You might have scored full marks because it was simple question. Where to continue, Arihant? Okay. Let me see who all are the others who did the quiz today. Vaishnavi did the quiz. Guru did the quiz. Abhijit, Ishika, Mr. NK, then Dima. Dima, look. Mr. NK Dima has the same, but you took the time difference, made your rank go down. Then Sneha Priya. Then you have Sneha Priya Srujana, SK Sneha Santra Abhishek. Arihant, why 21 on 25? 21 on 35? Don't know. Nantini, Vinila, Adarva, Jyoti Prakash. Arjun, why 1? I think you were just commenting in the YouTube. I don't know. James Parrow Coverty. Yes, I'm deactivating the quiz. Okay. Hope you all attended the quiz. Yes. What happened to Arjun? Guys, those who are just watching the session right now, please don't forget to click the like button now itself. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.